How to fix the Recaptcha problem on Omegle. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the Recaptcha problem on Omegle. Open up the web browser. Here search omegle.com. When the site of Omegle is open, go into Phone Settings. Scroll down in Settings to Safari. Then turn off the Block All Cookies option. After that, clear history and data. Then open the web browser and search Omegle in here. Tap to open its site. Click on Video, tick the check boxes in here. Then tap on Confirm and Continue. Then allow Omegle to access the microphone and camera. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.